Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine. Both machines promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, but they differ in price, speed, and design. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker is priced at $99.99, making it a premium choice for those looking for a reliable countertop ice maker. In contrast, the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine offers a more budget-friendly option at just $69.99. This significant price difference makes the OLIXIS a more attractive choice for cost-conscious consumers. In terms of ice production speed, the Igloo model takes about 7 minutes to produce 9 ice cubes, while the OLIXIS outperforms it slightly by producing the same number of cubes in just 6 minutes. This faster production time can be a crucial factor for those who need ice quickly for gatherings or parties. Both machines offer a daily ice production capacity of 26 pounds, but they differ in water reservoir size. The Igloo features a larger 1.5-quart water tank, allowing for fewer refills during use. On the other hand, the OLIXIS has a smaller 1-liter tank, which may require more frequent refills, especially during heavy use. In conclusion, both the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The Igloo offers a premium build and larger water capacity, while the OLIXIS provides faster ice production at a lower price point. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.